There are two ways to access the West Virginia General Summative Assessment Family Portal. You can enter the link shown here into a browser. Or you can visit the Wayne County Schools website. On the district's homepage, click on the menu button on the top right of your screen. Next, click on the Parent Portal for WVGSA Results link, which is the second option under the Families and Students section. That link will take you to the homepage of the Parent Portal. Here, you need to enter your student's information. Your student's access code can be found on this letter that was sent home with your student. If you have lost the access code, please reach out to your student's teacher or call their school. After entering the student's info, click Sign In. On the home screen, you can view assessment data for math and ELA. If your student was in 5th or 8th grade last school year, you will also see assessment data for science. Data for the 2022-2023 assessment is also available if your student took the assessment that school year. From this page, you can view a detailed report or download a detailed report if you would like to print your student's results. There are multiple tabs to view on the detailed report. Options include overall results, category results, progress, quantile measure, the ELA report will say Lexile measure, and resources to help your student. You can return to the home screen by clicking on the Home button located on the top right of the page. Next to the Home button is the Glossary button, which explains the terms you may see in these reports. And the Resources button provides a link to frequently asked questions. Back on the home screen, you can click the Download Detailed Report button. This allows you to download the individual school report along with a guide for understanding the results. Lastly, when you are finished, click the Sign Out button in the top right corner of the page. If you have multiple students, you will need to sign in again using that student's information. After reviewing the results, we encourage you to talk with your student's teacher to discuss their academic progress.